Natural hair care products for beginners. The effectiveness of modern, natural hair care products is known to all, because they are very effective in reducing hair loss and enhancing hair beauty. They are also perceived as being free from side effects and may deliver additional health benefits. Balanced diets rich in vitamins and minerals are a must for hair health. Natural hair care products have become popular for both external and internal use. Besides, they have less chance of causing overtreatment and they rarely overdry or overcondition your hair. Not all natural hair care products are natural. Products available in salons and over store counters are never 100% natural, because, for better results and preservation issues, they need to contain a certain amount of synthetic ingredients. The synthetic products can also provide better foaming, cleaning and emulsifying than 100% natural products. However, you can prepare homemade hair care products that are absolutely natural. Natural hair care products. Nettle root extract. It is rich in vitamins A and C. It is used as an inhibitor of 5-alpha reductase. Saw palmetto extract. It is an effective anti-androgen and fights benign prostatic disease by lowering levels of DHT. That's why it is good for the people in androgenetic alopecia. Rosemary and sage. These are very good natural hair enhancers. Boil together in water rosemary, sage, peach leaf, nettle and burdock and use in the hair. This will strengthen your hair. Jojoba oil. It keeps your scalp healthy and free from skin diseases. It controls dandruff. Jojoba oil is also a great moisturizer for your hair. Aloe vera. It balances the pH level of scalp and heals by cleaning the pores. Shampoo made up of aloe vera gel with a small amount of wheat germ oil and coconut milk is a great hair enhancer. Henna. Henna is a popular natural hair conditioner and hair coloring product. It is excellent for the maintenance of healthy hair. It protects hair against breakage and restores hair shine. Psyllium husk. Psyllium husk works as a laxative agent. It safely moves waste through the colon and makes your digestive system clean healthy, which is necessary for better hair health. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And for more healthy recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.